hope you're all doing well and that you slept well. Can you remember our friends' names? They're going to join us today with our singing. Can you remember their names again? Lock and Down. Well done. They're going to sing with us and doing activities with us today. So say hi Lock, hi Down. And are you ready to start singing? Our first song is Baa Baa Black Sheep. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Well done. Our next one is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Let's see your stars. And ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Well done. I don't know if you know the song, but I think your mommies and daddies do know, but Miss Howard's going to teach it to you. Are you ready? Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, her fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Well done. We'll try again tomorrow and see if you remember. Bye for now.